So good morning dear students. We will see today question and answer on preparing profit and loss appropriation on the chapter fundamentals of partnership account. So profit and loss appropriation is an account where the distribution of profit between the partners are shown. Okay. So here is an illustration. Let us understand. The partnership agreement of Manish and Girish provides that number one, profit will be shared equally. This is given in the agreement that profit will be shared equally, that is 1:1. Number 2, Manish will be allowed a salary of 400 per month, which means that partner Manish will get 400 into 12, 4,800 for the whole year. Number 3, Girish, who manages the sales department, will be allowed a commission equal to 10% of net profit, but that will be after allowing Manish's salary. Okay, so Girish will get a 10% of commission, but after deducting the Manish's salary on the net profit, we will be given. Now number 4, 7% interest to be allowed on partners fixed capital. Okay, 7% interest on capital will be provided. And number 5, 5% interest will be charged on partners annual drawing. Okay, so for the whole year 5% interest on drawings will be charged. Number 6, the information is given. The partners capital account are given. Capital balance of Manish is 1 lakh while Girish is 80,000. It is given. And the annual drawings which the both partners made were 16,000 and 14,000 respectively. Okay, that means Manish withdrew 16,000 during the year while Girish withdrew 14,000 during the year. Now the net profit of the year ending 31st March 2019 is given, which is 40,000. So out of this 40,000 we have to appropriate the partners charges. Okay, so how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account we will be seeing. Okay, we will charge the interest on drawings and we will appropriate the partners claims. So let us see the solution. So here is the solution: profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2019. We have both sides, debit and credit. On the credit side, first of all we will post the net profit, that is 40,000. After that, on the credit side we will charge the interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is an income for the partnership firm. So 5% on Manish drawing 16,000, 5% 800, Girish 14,000, 5% 700 comes to 1,500. Now coming to appropriations, first we will give the salary as per the agreement to Manish, 400 into 12, 4,800. Next we will give the commission to Girish, which will be after deducting the money salary. So 40,000 was the profit given, 4,800 the salary of Manish has been deducted. On the balance, that is 35,200, 10% commission is given. Next is interest on capital has been given at 7% rate. So on the Manish capital 7% comes to 7,000, Girish capital comes to 5,600. So interest on capital has been given. Now after comparing both sides, you can find that there is a profit. Okay, because credit was more and debit is less, so the balance is 20,580, which has been distributed equally. Okay, so Manish current account, Manish gets 10,290, similarly Girish get 10,290. So these all were given in the agreement. As per the agreement, the information, the appropriation has been given and profit were distributed equally. Okay, so now come to the next question. We will again see the next question. So in this illustration you can see that there are two partners, A and B, with capital of 5 lakh and 3 lakh respectively, and the profit for the year ending 31st March 2019 is 3,46,000 before allowing interest on partners loan. Okay, so this is very important, before allowing interest on partners loan. See, this before allowing interest on partners loan has been highlighted. Okay, now show the distribution of profit after taking into the following consideration. Number 1, interest on A's loan of rupees 1,50,000 provided to the firm on 1st April 2018. We have to give interest on loan which has been extended by A on 1st April 2018. Okay, for this we have highlighted that before allowing interest this profit has been taken. So before appropriating the profit, before bringing the profit to the P&L appropriation, we have to first of all minus or deduct the interest. We have to charge the interest in P&L account. Okay, P&L account first we have to deduct the interest on A's loan, then we can bring the profit. Okay, we will see that. Number 2, interest on capital is allowed at 5% per annum. So interest on capital has to be given, and similarly interest on drawings has to be charged at 6% per annum. So A's drawing was 60,000 and B's drawing was 40,000. So these are the drawings we have to charge interest, and B is to be allowed a commission of 2% on sales, and sales for the year is 30 lakh given, and last 10% of divisible profit is to be kept as reserve. So this information has been given. So let us see how to solve the question. Okay, so here the solution. First of all, the profit and loss account is prepared before appropriation. Okay, in the profit and loss account, net profit 3,46,000 has been brought, and interest on A's loan has been first of all charged here, 9,000. Okay, so how this interest on loan 9,000 has been charged? So let us understand this. the interest on loan that was extended by was 1,50,000. So where there is no interest rate given, it is given at 6%. We have already studied. So 6% comes to 9,000, and after that the net profit is now transferred 3,37,000 through the P&L appropriation account. So you might remember that. See, in the note it is given that it is always that interest on loan has to be first of all charged in the profit and loss account, and after that we have to bring the profit to P&L appropriation account. That you must remember. Okay, we cannot show that in the that is profit and loss appropriation. Interest on loan has to be shown in the profit and loss account, and then we have to bring the profit after that, deducting in the P&L account. So 3,37,000 brought forward. And next, the interest on drawings is charged at 6%. So 18,000 and 1,200 has been shown. Next, interest on capital has been provided, okay, at 5%. So 25,000 and 15,000 are the respective interest on capital that has been appropriated here. So after providing interest on capital, commission to be has been given at 2% on the sales, that is 30 lakhs. 2% comes to 60,000. And next, reserve. How reserve is calculated is given here. The reserve has been calculated after deducting the you can see that the interest on capital, commission, it has been given. So 3,37,000 plus 3,000 minus 40 minus 60. So on the balance amount, the interest on the reserve has been given. Okay, so how reserve is calculated, just see, we have given in the information. So after providing the following information, you can see that the balance profit has been brought here, 2,16,000. So very easy, 3,37,000, 3,000. Interest on capital has been appropriated, commission at 2% of 30 lakhs as 60,000. Reserve, how it has been calculated, 3,37,000 plus 3,000 minus 40 minus 60, and balance amount 24,000 has been given, and profit distributed equally as per the agreement. So this is one of the solution, and certain notes are given that how it has been information has been given that 6% loan has been given, interest on loan as there is no information, and interest on loan is debited to P&L account appropriation, and how again reserve is calculated is given. Okay, hope you understand this one. Now we will proceed to the next question, where there is a loss in the business. Okay, so here you can see there is a loss. In case of loss, how to do? If the firm incurs a loss during the year, partners will neither be allowed in interest on capital nor in salary. This you have to remember. No interest or salary will be given. Also, if there is no profit to be appropriated, as such, profit and loss appropriation account will not be prepared, and losses will be distributed through profit and loss account. Okay, as there is a loss, you cannot prepare profit and loss appropriation. How can you appropriate the salary or interest on capital? You cannot appropriate. Then how to show the loss? In profit and loss account. This you might remember, profit and loss account. You cannot prepare the appropriation account. Okay, so here the question is given that there are two partners, A and B. On 1st April 2018, their capital are given. On 1st October 2018, A granted loan of rupees 50,000 to the firm. Okay, A granted a loan of 50,000 to the firm, and B allowed him to use his property for the business for a monthly rent of 10,000. Okay, now partnership did provide that interest on capital is to be allowed at 9% per annum, and B is to be given an annual salary of rupees 1 lakh. So this information has been given. Okay, now this information has been given, but you cannot appropriate the salary, neither you can give the interest on capital, as there is a loss. So it is given that the firm has a loss of 28,500 for the year ending 31st March 2019 before adjustment is made in the partnership deed. So here you cannot allow the interest on capital, neither you can give a salary, so you cannot prepare the P&L appropriation. So you have to prepare profit and loss account, as there is a loss. Okay, this you must keep in mind. Okay, in the profit and loss account, we will just provide the partner's loan, interest on loan at 6% per annum, and also we will also charge the rent or give the rent for the partner, as we have used his personal property. So these two things will be shown in the P&L account. Okay, these are obligations you have to pay. Even if you are having a loss, you have to pay interest on loan, and you have to pay rent for the property use. So here you can see the profit and loss account is prepared, not profit and loss appropriation. Appropriation is a distribution of profit between the partners. So as there is no profit, okay, P&L appropriation is distribution of profit. So there is no profit, so you cannot prepare. There is a loss, so you can see the net loss. Okay, in the debit side, okay, profit is shown in the credit side, net loss. So debit side 28,500, and rent 12,000 has to be 10,000 for 12 months has to be given, irrespective whether there is a profit or loss. So 1,20,000 has been given. Interest on loan has been calculated for 6 months, as loan has been taken on 1st October of the year. So you can see in the working notice is given 50,000 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 12, 1,500. It's been calculated. okay, rent and interest and loan are charged against profit, they will be debited to profit and loss account even if there is a loss to the firm. Okay, in this we can see that loss has increased because there was a loss, we have given rent, we have given interest on loan, so the total loss comes in the credit side is 1,50,000, which has been transferred to partners capital account. Partners will have to bear this loss in equal proportion. Okay, whereas there is no that is profit and loss sharing ratio given, so it will be distributed equally. Okay, as the firm has suffered a loss, no interest on salary will be provided to partners. So this, remember this. So these three questions are very important from exam point of view. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you. Have a good day.